Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? I guess China had to halt trading because of 7% downfall, which equates to about 1,000 points or so. Um, Here's the Dow, just on the weekly, how I'm just trying to show you that the trend has changed. If this candle for the week closes beneath its trend line, um, I'm looking at a failure here from last week, and then a breakdown. So it doesn't look like a Dow is going to be able to hold itself up unless some some outside influence happens, some spectacular event, something. Everyone's saying, oh, they're worried about the Chinese market crashing, blah blah blah, but they don't have near as amount of debt that we do. So they're a lot more healthy. So whatever you hear is probably just gibberish. On the S&P, the other hand, you can see this little meeting line. So I just put a trend line in there. And so far, we've got an indecision day. Let's just look at the weekly real quick. Right now, it needs to fall beneath that line. And so far, so good. But in a moment's notice, it could just fall in a rapid pace. I don't see it holding up because, again, we have another failure to reach its equilibrium on the weekly. Let's do that. Last week's candle did not reach, and just look for a falling S&P as well. Crude oil did break down from its support, and like I said before, it's got to cover this gap. Gaps are a good support and resistance line. So right now it's at support. We'll see what happens. It bounced off support. Let's see if it can fill the gap and then wait to see what happens after that. Silver continues to consolidate. Looked good today. It's building. It's staying above its right shoulder on this reverse head and shoulders pattern. So far so good on the dailies, but again on the weeklies, the longer term, and the monthly, it's just so far to go to change this trend on these things. So right now my eye is on the daily to see if this can continue to consolidate. Right now I feel that this is an accumulation and then a consolidation. See if we can get above the trend lines on the daily and work from there. Same as gold. Like I mentioned yesterday, it's in this little pattern, and it's going to corkscrew, get tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter, and have to move out up or down. So we'll just keep an eye on that. It did move up today and hit it completed its full range again. So maybe a down day tomorrow, but very tight. $10 down, and then maybe a consolidation, come back up. This looks like a $20 spread in between these two lines. So that's it. Copper got smashed. Keeping an eye out on crude oil to see if it'll. Jim Willie is still adamant about $30 oil, how it could be a trigger point for global catastrophes, bankruptcies, countries failing, municipal bonds failing, hedge funds failing. So we'll keep an eye on that. I think crude oil is still the leading indicator on everything that's going on. So there you have it. Let me know what's going on out there. Not much to report today, just a little quick one. So thank you for watching. Share, comment, and let me know what's going on out there.